And welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be going over XRP and its price action lately and what it could be doing in the future and why and kind of how it moves due to technical analysis. And so I'm going to be giving you a technical analysis video on the XRP price action over the past few months and what could happen potentially in the near term for XRP, right? So we could be seeing big prices for XRP. So stay tuned for the price targets because they are going to be huge and they're way up in the air. So you can make a lot of money. Stay tuned. Okay, so we are very zoomed in at the minute. This is the 4-hourly price action for XRP. And we are basically, it looks like we're in this kind of bear flag. But if you go into it, we can actually see this ascending triangle formation playing out. Now that is this orange triangle here, and ascending triangles at the bottom of trends tend to have a higher chance, around 60 to 70% chance of breaking upwards if it's at the bottom of a trend. Now this price target is around 48 cents. But it correlates to a larger pattern. Now, if I zoom out to the 12-hourly, we can see a downward sloping wedge. And now what this pattern is, it tends to break towards the upside, and it's just where the price converges and squeezes together for a long period of time, getting closer and closer to the downside, which in turn has a more percent chance, 60 to 70%, to break towards the upside. Not only we have a bull flag, which is this straight line up. This vertical line is called the pole, and the downward sloping wedge, if it's at a 45-degree angle or higher, it can be classed as a bull flag. Now, to get the price target of this bull flag, we measure the pole, and then we take that pole and we measure it from the bottom. So there's a wick down here. If we extend that downwards to touch the bottoms roughly, we can see the price target. And the price target is all the way up in the air, around 58 cents. Now we have a golden pocket just above that. So we could magnet to that price. And then if I zoom out further, go on to the 2-daily, we can actually see that we're in a larger term ascending triangle. If I can delete this here. Right. So from this red line here, the top red line, you can see it, what's that, 56 cents roughly. And these bottoms down here, we've had 2 fake outs to the downside, but we have been following this longer term ascending triangle with the breakout target, and this is way up in the air at around 78 cents, and that correlates to the platinum pocket above our heads. But we will most likely be seeing a decent amount of resistance at the golden pocket and this triple top here. And when triple tops happen, they don't really break down like through the lows. When triple tops happen, it's more of a shorter term pop to the downside and then a rally upwards. So it's looking like we could, if we break this ascending triangle on the 4-hourly, and then we break the downward sloping wedge, say on the 16-hourly, and then if we go up and we eventually break this huge, massive revival pattern, it's an ascending triangle, breakout target way above our heads. So if you want to make some money on XRP, it's not financial advice, but as we approach these lows, I've got my safety net set at 4641, and I think that is a really good safety net. I'm looking to profit from this shorter term move, and then on the way down get back in for a move above this downward sloping wedge with the price target way up in the air. That actually brings us up to our it will be a cup and handle pattern here, as well as the ascending triangle. So there's a lot of cases that tell us we could go higher. So yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. Please give the video a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and I'll see you in the next one.